Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Large intestine. Large intestine is also known as the colon. It's approximately 5 feet long. Large intestine has no circular folds, villi or microvilli, therefore its surface area is much smaller as compared to the small intestine. By the time food residue reaches large intestine, most nutrients and up to 90% of water has already been absorbed by the small intestine. Large intestine has three primary functions. It absorbs water and electrolytes. Water enters by osmosis into the bloodstream and lymphatic system, while minerals are actively transported or may diffuse into the bloodstream. Large intestine produces as well as absorbs vitamins. Many bacteria and fungi exist symbiotically in large intestine. They feed on food residue in the large intestine and in turn secrete amino acids and vitamin K, which are absorbed by the large intestine. It forms and propels feces, undigested plant fiber, intestinal cells that are shed, and other waste products are moved towards the rectum for elimination. Let's discuss the different segments of large intestine. Cecum. It's the first section of large intestine. It looks like a pouch and is about 2 inches long. It takes in digested liquid from ileum and passes it to the ascending colon. Cecum has an extension called appendix. Appendix contains abundance of lymphoid tissue and may function as part of immune system. Ascending colon. Ascending colon absorbs remaining water and other nutrients from indigestible material. Transverse colon. It is the longest part of large intestine, having 2 curvatures. The curvature on the right is called the hepatic flexure because it is next to the liver. The curvature on the left is called the splenic flexure because it is close to the spleen. Descending colon. Descending colon stores fecal material. Sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon contracts to increase pressure inside large intestine, causing stool, that is fecal material, to move into the rectum. Rectum holds feces to be eliminated by defecation by the anus. Poor motility causes greater absorption, due to which hard feces are formed in transverse colon and causes constipation. Excess motility causes less absorption and results in loose feces called diarrhea. Defecation. The elimination of fecal material from the body is called defecation. The muscles in the colon contract and move the stool towards the rectum. This is known as mass movement. Rectum is a distensible muscular tube. It has the ability to expand. When enough fecal material moves to the rectal wall stretches or distends. The rectal walls have special stretch receptors. When they are stretched, they send signals to the brain. After the defecation reflex is triggered, a person can either delay or defecate. When the rectum is filled, pressure within the rectum increases. This increased intrarectal pressure forces the fecal material to enter the anal canal. In the anus, there are 2 sphincters, the internal anal sphincter and the external anal sphincters. The internal anal sphincter is composed of smooth muscles, therefore they are involuntary in action. The internal anal sphincter relaxes in response to rectal distension. The external anal sphincter is composed of skeletal muscles and is therefore under voluntary control. If a person chooses to defecate, the external anal sphincter also relaxes and moves the stool forward and out of the body.